for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, panic alarm, brake assist, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, rear view camera. Come take a test drive today.